All right. It's time for another edition of the Monkeebutt. I'm sending this one out to Chud. Chud 327. I'm one-upping it on this one. Are you ready? So we did a little modification to the Tiki butt. The Monkeebutt, but well, you'll see why I'm saying the Tiki butt. We had some motor issues today. Didn't get it running. I know the motor works. It's probably just my own stupidity. So, without any further ado, I want to walk you around the Monkeebutt. We'll start with the front. There you go. The new Tiki Hut sign. We got our little Tiki guys here in the front. One there, Tiki bar sign, another Tiki guy, grass skirt, lays. We got our bumpers, some more lays, another mask. Wait, we need more masks. You know, it'd be really great. We need a shark. Yes, a shark. Bimini top is looking pretty good up there. See another lay. Let's walk around to the back. We have the ladder. Went high tech with the latching system. Whoa. There you go. And thought about this one just to help us while we're out in the water. We went with that little latch right there. And then that keeps the wood down. There it is. 25 horsepower, Mercury. I don't know what happened today. I'm greatly disappointed it didn't work for us. The gas tank, the fuel line that probably could have been my problem. I don't know. You know what we need though? We need more Tiki masks. Definitely need more Tiki masks. My girl says this one reminds me of her. So, you know, if you got a boat like this, it's always got to be 5 o'clock somewhere. Got to have a pirate flag. We need more Tiki masks. And wait, more Tiki masks. A little more grass skirt. You know what we need? More Tiki masks. This is kind of the theme here. Life's a beach. There's Tina hiding. Hi, Tina. So we had to go with the Life's a beach. And what else do we got? Oh, Tiki mask over there. You know what we need? You need a surfboard. Wait. Oh, it's a banana looking surfboard. So, Chud, throwing the challenge out there, buddy. I hope you like it. You were a lot of inspiration on this, and I'm just having a little fun messing with you. Can't wait till we meet up so we can go out and actually enjoy a ride together. To everyone, this is the Monkeebutt. Have a good one. Oh wait, I forgot one of the most important things. Flamingo. In case it gets dark, we have pink flamingo lights. They're on both sides. We thought we may need those. Hey, this is Critter and Squirrel. And we had our powder monkey with us somewhere, but he took off. Signing off. Have a good one, guys.